Alright guys, we're here today at 3027 East Dahlia Drive. As you can see, we have this fantastic home right here in front of us. And then you can see just how nice and quiet this neighborhood is as well. So this is actually quite a very unique home. So you're going to have this garage up here in the front with the main house behind it. And you're actually going to have a second level that has a second primary bedroom. So there's actually going to have two primaries in this home, which is something that's very, very unique. And I mean, the location of this property is fantastic as well. I mean, you're easily 5-10 minutes from a ton of shopping and food places. So that's also very nice to have. So let's take a step into this garage. As you can see, it's kind of set up as more of like a man cave. We even got the sign over there that says man cave on it. But I mean, you could easily make this whatever you wanted. You know, of course, park your cars in here. And you actually get a portable AC unit over here as well. So it helps keep the garage cool, especially in the summertime. You know, you really have the opportunity to make this a cool place. You know, you could even have like a pool table in here. Really, I mean, it's up to you what you want to do with it. But it could also just be used as a garage as well. And then, of course, you have your carport over here, which is actually a 2-car. Which we can take a little bit of a better look over here. So, I mean, you have a ton of space for parking. Because, I mean, you could park a couple cars out here. As well as 2 could easily fit under this cover. And then you also have your 2-car garage over there as well. So, I mean, you have a ton of outdoor space in this property. Which is always very nice to have. Let's go ahead and take a step on inside. And as you can see, you step into a beautiful kitchen and living area here. I love all of this flooring as well. Not only is it low maintenance, but it looks fantastic. So let's take a quick step over into the kitchen. And you can see, I mean, of course, the nice granite countertops, all the stainless steel appliances. And all of these are going to stay with the home. So like the dishwasher, the microwave, the fridge, all of these items are going to stay with the home. So you don't have to worry about replacing them or anything like that. And of course, a really cool kitchen island over here as well. And one thing I would point out is just the sheer size of this home is fantastic. I mean, you have very nice and open spaces. Some nice high ceilings over here as well, so it feels even larger than it actually is. And then you have a perfect spot for a dining area over here with this really cool chandelier. And then over here, tucked away in the corner, you're going to have a washer and dryer and a really nice sized laundry room in here as well. So and you can see you could easily fit, you know, a little storage area in here as well. And then a nice door out to your side yard, which can actually access to the front of the home and to the backyard, which is actually where we will go next. We'll take a step out into the back. And as you can see, you have a nice storage unit over here on the right. And then a massive patio that gives you a ton of shade, you know, keeps you cool in the summertime. And personally, my favorite part of this home is this putting green over here. So, I mean, you can easily, you know, get some putts in, get some practice, you know, have fun with friends and family. And then over here, we have a pool as well, which you can see this is a very, very nice sized pool. And then you have a secondary back entrance to the bottom or the first floor bathroom of the primary. So, I mean, you can see there's a ton of access points to this home, which makes it nice and easy, you know, so you don't have to worry about walking all the way around the property just to get back inside. And then speaking of inside, let's head back in and we'll take a look at some of the bedrooms that we have on the first floor. So you can see we'll step back through the kitchen, past the staircase, which you get another nice storage closet down there as well. Back past the front door, and then over here you're going to have kind of like a separate wing of bedrooms, and then of course a nice big storage closet here as well for you. And so first on the left, you're going to have the first guest bedroom, which you can see, I mean, this is a very nice sized room to have with a really fantastic view out to the front of the home. And of course, your nice sized closet over here as well. And then just across the way is kind of pretty much a copy of that first bedroom. So of course, you're going to have your ceiling fan, the nice carpet, of course, your closet and everything that you do need in here as well. And then we're going to have our guest bathroom, which you can see you get a beautiful vanity as well as a nice shower tub combo. And I love all of the tiling that they put back there as well. It looks fantastic and it gives it a nice, little modern touch to it as well. And then lastly, we're going to have our first primary bedroom. So you can see this is a fantastic size space. You get a massive window out here to the back, which you can see overlooks the pool and your patio area. And then behind us, we have a quite nice size closet as well. And then this is the back door that we were looking at from the backyard. So this is actually where it would lead into, which is into, your closet in here as well. So you actually have this closet as well as the closet over here. So you almost have like a his and hers, or just a ton of extra storage space, whatever you'd like to use it for. Let's take a quick step this way. And you can see you'll have another sink back there, and then one out here as well with the beautiful granite. Take a look in here real quick with a nice stand-up shower. So this is a fantastic home, guys. You have a lot of high quality finishes, as well as just the amount of space. So that's going to be about it for the first level. We'll go ahead and take a quick run upstairs, and I will see you guys up at the top of the stairs. All right, so here we are up at the top of the stairs. As you can see, you have a nice little landing area with a nice guardrail. So the first thing you're going to step into is another guest bedroom. So you can see this home has a ton of bedrooms in it, and you get a really nice view out of this one as well. You can see the mountains over there in the back, and then of course your ceiling fan and your really nice sized closet in this one, which you can see it wraps around all the way over there. And then lastly, for this home, you're going to have a second primary bedroom. So you guys can see how big this room is. It's almost the entire upstairs is this one bedroom. So you can see, windows everywhere, ton of light, which is nice to have all the natural light flooding in as well, especially for a room with this size. You can see it takes quite a while just to walk all the way across this room. And then of course, some more spectacular views up here as well. And then lastly, we're going to step into the second primary bathroom. Let me take a quick step over here and get a really cool view of this entire bathroom. So you can see you have your shower over there with this cool little cutout, as well as your tub. And then some nice dual vanities, again with the granite countertop. So as you can see, you have this cool little window here, but then you would actually step into your shower over here. And then of course you have your dual shower heads up there as well, which is a really unique feature. Not many homes have showers and tubs like this. So this is a great opportunity. And then just the size of this closet as well is ginormous. So it wraps all the way back around behind the door. So this is a huge, huge bedroom and bathroom. So that's going to be about it for the tour of this home, guys. If any questions, you want to come see it for yourself, you can do that all through our website, which is rpmphoenixvalley.com. Thank you guys for touring with me.